Yeah, hello guys. So in this video, this is the second video of our discussion series, and I wanted to discuss about a cool feature called emmet. And emmet is basically a plugin that we can use inside this VS Code, and it is going to increase your development workflow almost by 50%. And how can we use emmet, and what is basically emmet? So this is all we are going to discuss in this series, in this particular video. So suppose right now I'm working with React. I'm developing a React application. Inside React, as we all know, inside React we can write HTML code and what we call JSX basically. So what we can do, we can write HTML code or CSS or everything. So right now, just see what emmet is, then we will be seeing that how can we use this emmet feature inside VS Code. So basically, suppose I'm writing this what we call I've written a heading, and basically I'm displaying that heading over the browser. So right now, just see, like I'm displaying this hey over the browser, and suppose I wanted to put this hey h1 inside a particular division. So if I wasn't using this emmet feature, so what I will be doing, I will be just creating sorry, my caps lock is on. Yeah, so I will be creating division like this way, and again giving it class name, something like class name, or what we call, sorry, class name, and suppose call app. So this way we are going to create a division and just put it inside this like h1 inside this division. Now we can what we call run it like this. Yeah. So but again, now since I have installed emmet, so now to create this division, what I can do, basically I can directly write like this: div dot app underscore, suppose I call this division a header, because I'm going to put in this heading inside this particular division. And just see what is going to happen now. Just see this. What did it create? It basically created a complete division. And I didn't want to mention any class name or something. It automatically created, or you can say generated, some HTML code for me. So this is basically this is basically the emmet feature. Is it basically auto completes your what you call it, HTML syntaxes, or you can say CSS syntaxes. So basically now I can put it inside this h1. So this and again, suppose I wanted to create a list, and right now I wanted to create a list. So what I can do right now, I can write this way, and again I can just press enter. So right now you can see I didn't write to I don't need to write all of this. Just I write like UI, and like greater than li, and it created basically this complete it generated complete syntax for me. So this is the feature of what you call it, like this is the feature of emmet. So emmet basically helps your development workflow, increases your development workflow, because it automatically generates some meaningful syntaxes, and that can you don't need to write it every time. So this was the basically feature related to I wanted to discuss about this particular video, in this particular video, emmet feature. And again, how can we use this emmet inside VS Code? So right now you can go to settings, so control and comma, basically you can open this settings, and in this setting you can see there's a you will be getting this settings like in this manner. And there you can see, if you go to this extensions, so there is an option of emmet. So inside this emmet, you just need to include your code inside particular this edit in settings.json. So basically you have to open this setting.json file. Now you can see right now what I have done, I have basically included this code. So whatever the whatever the code, whatever the kind of language you are working on, you can just write this code. So basically I am working with JavaScript. This is a .js file. You can see the app.js. So basically this is a .js file. So I have just mentioned it like I will be working with this JavaScript, and my whatever the value will be JavaScript React. So basically JSX we call it. So basically I will be dealing with this particular language, and my file extension will be JavaScript. So this code I have included for my particular what we call particular file. And again, if you are working with what we call, if you are, suppose you are working with HTML, so you can directly write like HTML and HTML. So this is the way of including your emmet in this particular what we call inside this video VS code. And again, this only this much code you have to write. This is pre-written code, they always include it in this setting file, and this code you have to generally write for for including this this emmet inside VS code. And again, one more thing I wanted to discuss, like this is not limited to only HTML, it also works with CSS. So suppose like app.css is there, so what I can do, suppose I wanted to define some margin for this particular app.css, basically my app JS file. So what I can do right now, just see m 10 10 10 10 and I press enter. So you can see I have defined all the margins like left and up, down, and bottom. You can see bottom, basically bottom, and upper, up, and left and right. All the margins are defined automatically. I just wrote like this way, M10. Suppose I wanted to create sorry, create a single margin so I can write this way. So basically it is going to improve the what you can say, improve your speed of development, because ultimately you don't need to write complete syntax like margin or something, though it VS code also suggests you to you can auto complete, but that again you have to write lot of syntax. Like suppose I wanted to use this VS code feature, so I have to at least write MAR, you can see, then I can select margin. So this way, but again again I have to define all the properties like how many pixels I am giving. So but in this case, like if you are using emmet, so you just give you just write m10 and it is going to give it the value as well. So this is the cool feature, cool plugin basically you can say. So just try to install this plugin inside your VS code and just try to execute this code. You will be if you get familiar around this emmet, particularly in emmet, so your speed of development is going to become higher, and you will be developing, suppose you will be writing code in half an hour, so it will be reduced to 20 minutes, or you can say even 15 minutes. Even in the half of time you can write the same code, because every time you have not to create your complete division and everything. So just try out this cool feature. And basically this was the video all about, and this is the second video of our discussion series, and in third video I will be discussing about hooks. Basically beginners get confused about hooks and what we call like class based components. So basically that video will be about discussing this hooks concept. So just see this and let's meet in the next video. Okay, thank you.